Hi and welcome. In this session, I'll be discussing the importance of maintaining confidentiality and data security in the laboratory. It's essential for everyone in the laboratory to ensure that sensitive or confidential data is kept secure at all times. Now, this data can include the client's data or patient information, research results, financial data, employee records, and any other confidential information. To help maintain data confidentiality and security, lab staff must ensure that access to computers and other devices is restricted to authorized personnel only. This includes setting up secure login credentials such as passwords and digital signatures. Make sure that only the necessary personnel have access to any sensitive information. Use encryption to protect any data transferred over the internet. This helps to prevent unauthorized access or modification of the data. Implement physical and hardware controls for equipment within the lab. This ensures that only authorized personnel have access to the lab and its equipment. Back up all data regularly and store it in a secure location. This will help minimize any damage caused by potential security breach. Keep up to date with security policies and regulations and ensure that all staff are aware of their responsibilities in maintaining data security and confidentiality in the lab. If proper protocols are not followed or if security measures are neglected, it can result in data breaches which can have serious repercussions. So not only can it lead to financial losses, but it can also damage the reputation of the lab and its staff. So for this reason, it is essential to maintain confidentiality and data security in the lab. By following the guidelines mentioned, hopefully all of you all now understand, and this will help you protect the integrity of the lab and keep everyone involved safe from potential harm or liability. Thanks for listening. Keep maintaining confidentiality and ensure data security is your top priority. Remember, taking the necessary steps is essential for protecting your lab and yourself and ensuring success in whatever you do. All the very best.